At the end of the last lesson, we finished with a B with finger 5 in our left hand and a B with finger 2 in our right hand. That's the beginning of the measure we're going to start today. So starting with that B in the left hand, we're going to go to an F sharp with finger 2 and then to a D with finger 1. It's a little different from what we did previously. Previously we were doing B, F sharp, B. This time we're going to do B, F sharp, D. So we have B with finger 5, F sharp with finger 2, D with finger 1, and then we're going to come up to a B here with finger 1, a G with finger 2, and a lower B with finger 5. So we have B, F sharp, D, B, G, B, and then an A with finger 1, an F sharp with finger 2, and a B with finger 5. So again, B, F sharp, D, B, G, B, A, F sharp, B, and then we're going to go to a G with finger 1, an E with finger 2, and a B with finger 4. So again, B, F sharp, D, B, G, B, A, F sharp, B, G, E, B. And with the finger numbers 5, 2, 1, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 4. Now let's add in the right hand during that part. Remember, the right hand is starting with that B with finger 2. We're going to hold that down until the left hand takes over that B. We're going to release and then play the B with finger 1 of the left hand. G, B, A, F sharp, and right after that F sharp, we're going to play an E with finger 4. So we have and then the B, and then when the G plays with finger 1 in the left hand, we're going to play a D with finger 3 in the right hand. So again. And then right after this E, we're going to play a C sharp before the B in the left hand. So just from the high B. Okay, you're going to want to practice that timing a little bit. That is a polyrhythm going on there, similar to the polyrhythms that we had in the first lesson. Let's do that part again from the B, nice and slow. And from the beginning. And a little faster. From there, the E, D, C sharp, the right hand is going to go to an F sharp with finger 5, while the left hand plays a B, D, and F sharp with fingers 4, 2, and 1. And that's going to be arpeggiated like this. B, D, F sharp, one right after the other. But they're all going to be held down from there. Just for one beat. Now just focusing on the left hand for a minute, we're going to do a sequence of chords arpeggiated the same way. So we have B, D, F sharp, and from there we're just going to change the B to an A with finger 5. So from the B, D, F sharp, we're going to do A, D, F sharp with fingers 5, 2, and 1. Okay, so we have B, D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, and then from there we're going to play G sharp with finger 5, B with finger 3, D with finger 2, and F with finger 1. Arpeggiated again. G sharp, B, D, F. So B, D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, G sharp, B, D, F. And from there we're going to do G, B, E. Okay, so again. from there, we're going to do F sharp, B, D. And then we're going to do almost the same chord, but we're going to add in a G sharp with finger 4. F sharp, G sharp, B, D. So we have F sharp, B, D, F sharp, G sharp, B, D. And from there, we're going to do E, A sharp, C sharp. So we have F sharp, B, D, F sharp, G sharp, B, D, E, A sharp, C sharp, and then to D, B, D. And from the first arpeggiated chord, after those 8 arpeggiated chords, we're going to do a few more. These are a little tougher because they have a little bit more of a reach. We're going to do C sharp, A sharp, and E. If you could hold all those down, you should do that. If for some reason you can't, like if your fingers don't have the reach, then you can let that last one go, the pinky, because you will be holding down the pedal anyway, so it won't be too big a deal. But technically, you're supposed to hold them all down. So we have the C sharp, A sharp, E. And from there, we're going to go to a B, F sharp, D. So C sharp, A sharp, E, B, F sharp, D. And from there, we're going to just play an A by itself. So we have, and then we're going to play a G sharp, F, B, arpeggiated again. So we have, notice that that A is slipped in double time, so it's, so from the first one with a bit more reach, and then from there we're going to play a G, E, and B. This time not arpeggiated, just all at once. However, if you have trouble reaching, then you can arpeggiate it and let go of that pinky. But if you don't need to worry about the reach, then just play them all at once. So we have, and from here, from the G, E, and B, we're going to do the same thing, F sharp, E, and A sharp, all played at once if possible. If not, let go of that F sharp. And then to a B, F sharp, and B. So from those ones with a little more reach. You're going to want to practice that a little bit. Let's do it from the first arpeggiated chord. One more time from the first arpeggiated chord. Now let's add in the right hand during that arpeggiated part. Remember, we're going to start with the F sharp with finger 5. So we have the F sharp with the B, D, F sharp. The second chord plays while still holding that F sharp. And then when we go to the G sharp, B, D, F, we're going to go to a B here, and then to the C sharp. So we have, and then to the D with the G, B, and E, and then to the E. So it's like this. Back to the F sharp when we do the F sharp, B, and D in the left hand. And then we play the F sharp, G sharp, B, and D while still holding that F sharp. And between that and the next one, we play a D. So it's like this. And again, so again from here we have and then back to the F sharp again for this arpeggiated chord with a little more reach. So from the beginning of the arpeggiated part, okay, now let's take it from the F sharp with the chord in the left hand with a little reach, the C sharp, A sharp, and E. So after playing that, still holding that F sharp, we're going to play the B, F sharp, and D. And we don't change the note in the right hand until we play that A. And when we play that A, we're going to go to a B with finger 4. So again, we have one more time. And then when we go to the next chord, this G sharp, F, and B, we're going to play 2 Ds in the right hand. So the left hand is arpeggiated. The right hand just comes in on those 2 Ds when we hit that B. So from here, notice we played the G sharp, F, and B with the 2 Ds, and then we're going to hold that left hand while playing a B with our right hand with finger 4. So we have notice I'm still holding down the D with the thumb while I play that B. And then when we go to the G, E, and B, we're going to play an E and G with fingers 1 and 2. So it's and then when we do the F sharp, E, and F sharp, we're going to go to a D with finger 5. So we have and finally, when we go to the B, F sharp, and B, the right hand is going to play a D and a B with fingers 1 and 4. And that's where we're going to finish for today. So from the same spot, now let's do it from where we start the arpeggiated part. Now let me just mention what we're going to do with the pedal. For the first part, we're just going to hold down the pedal for the whole measure. So pedal, and then we're going to release and press the pedal here. And then we're going to press the pedal every time we change the chord in the left hand. So it'll be pedal, 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 and so on every time we change that left-hand chord, or basically every beat we're going to release and press the pedal down. Okay, so let's do it from the beginning, nice and slow, adding in the pedal. I'm not going to say the word pedal. I think it's pretty clear. It's for the whole first measure, and then every time we change the chord in the left hand when we start those arpeggiated chords. A little faster. even faster.